Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best blind spot sensor kit is probably one of the most underrated safety upgrades you can make for your car. Imagine effortlessly changing lanes with the confidence of knowing exactly what's around you. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of blind spot sensor kits, exploring their features, benefits, and helping you find the perfect one to keep you safe on the road. Number 5. LivTee 2-round blind spot mirrors for cars. Introducing the LivTee blind spot mirrors. These mirrors significantly increase safety by eliminating blind spots. It allows you to drive more confidently when changing lanes or passing other vehicles. The mirrors feature a 360-degree rotate and sway adjustment. This allows you to maximize your view with a wide angle. It ensures you have a comprehensive view of your surroundings. These mirrors are made with HD glass for a clear and crisp view. They are frameless, slim, and waterproof. This design ensures a clear and reliable view in any weather condition. Installation is simple and straightforward. Just clean your original side mirrors, then stick the blind spot mirrors onto the mounting bracket. It's designed for easy installation on any car, SUV, or truck. These mirrors are perfect for any car, van, SUV, or truck. They are designed to fit a variety of vehicles. The mirrors provide added safety and convenience for all drivers. We are committed to customer satisfaction. If you have any issues or questions, please feel free to contact us. We are always here to help and ensure you are satisfied with your purchase. What we like. This mirror offers a full 360-degree adjustment, allowing you to customize your view. It's also made with HD glass for a clear, wide-angle view, and is easy to install. If you frequently drive in heavy traffic or need extra visibility when changing lanes, this is a great choice for you. What people say. The 2 HD glass provides crystal clear visibility without distortion, while the adjustable design lets me position them perfectly for my height and driving position. What truly impressed me was the durability of the adhesive. Despite heavy rainstorms and multiple car washes, they've remained firmly attached for over 2 months. The frameless, convex design blends seamlessly with my factory mirrors while providing the crucial expanded field of vision that has already helped me avoid a potential sideswipe on the highway. Number 4. Utopicar Blind Spot Convex Car Mirror, 2-pack. Tired of limited rear views? This mirror is engineered to provide a significantly wider view, offering a much larger image. It helps you see more of what's behind you, making driving safer and easier. Worried about it falling off? This product uses a special outdoor-rated adhesive. It's designed to withstand harsh weather, car washes, and even saltwater, ensuring it stays securely in place. Don't let a distracting frame ruin your view. The frameless design makes this mirror look like an original part of your car. It blends seamlessly with your existing side mirror. Prioritize safety on the road. This mirror enhances visibility, boosting your confidence when changing lanes. It's a cost-effective way to improve your driving safety compared to other blind spot monitoring systems. Perfect for most cars. This 3x1.8 mirror is ideal for sedans and regular-sized 4-door cars. If you need one for a truck, the brand offers that too. What we like. This mirror is engineered to provide a wider view, making it easier to see your surroundings. The outdoor-rated adhesive ensures that it stays securely in place, and the frameless design gives it a sleek look. If you are looking for a mirror that offers both enhanced visibility and a seamless aesthetic, you should consider this. What people say. Very easy to install on the side mirrors. Works well at showing the blind spot. These have a nice wide field of view and mount flush to the mirror. Number 3. 2x Blind Spot Mirrors, 2-round HD glass. These blind spot mirrors are designed with a convex angle to maximize your view. They help you see blind spots when changing lanes, reducing the risk of accidents. This ensures a safer driving experience for you. The mirrors can be adjusted a full 360 degrees. This allows you to customize the angle to perfectly suit your needs. You can get the best view possible with this feature. These mirrors feature HD real glass lenses with an ABS housing. They are waterproof and rust-resistant, suitable for both interior and exterior use. The glass provides a clear, undistorted view. Installation is simple. Just clean your existing side mirror and stick these on. Press firmly for a secure fit. It's a quick and easy upgrade for your vehicle. You'll receive 2 blind spot mirrors, spare adhesive, and a rubber scraper. They also come with a lifetime warranty. Contact us through Amazon messaging for any issues. We offer returns, refunds, and exchanges. What we like. With its 360-degree adjustment, you can customize the angle to suit your needs. The HD real glass lens provides a clear view, and it comes with a lifetime warranty. If you like a product with a guarantee and want maximum adjustability, this is the one for you. What people say. The mirrors are quite well made. They swivel inside the frame so you can precisely adjust them. They really do reveal traffic in your vehicle's blind spot. Installing them on my car was super easy thanks to the strong adhesive, and they've stayed firmly in place through rain, heat, and bumpy rides. The 360 degrees wide-angle adjustment is incredible, allowing me to customize the view perfectly to eliminate blind spots. Installation was incredibly easy, taking just a couple of minutes, and the adhesive is strong, holding the mirrors securely in place through car washes and various weather conditions. These mirrors provide a clear and wide-angle view of previously hidden areas, significantly improving my safety on the road by allowing me to see cars, motorcycles, and other objects in my blind spots. Number 2. Universal Blind Spot Detection System. Are you tired of blind spots? This system is designed to enhance your safety on the road. It provides real-time alerts to help you avoid potential collisions. Utilizing advanced ultrasonic sensors, it accurately detects vehicles in your blind spots. The system offers reliable performance in various driving conditions. Changing lanes has never been safer. The system provides timely warnings, assisting you in making informed decisions while driving. It helps you to change lanes with confidence. The blind spot detection system acts as your distance assistant. It helps you maintain a safe distance from other vehicles. This feature enhances your overall driving experience. This system is designed for universal compatibility. It can be easily installed in most vehicles. Enjoy the benefits of this advanced safety feature. What we like. This system uses ultrasonic sensors to detect vehicles in your blind spots, providing a lane-changing warning and distance assistance. It is designed to enhance safety by alerting you to potential hazards. If you prioritize advanced safety features and want an extra layer of protection, you should consider this. What people say. Perfect, glad I purchased it. When it does work, it functions for about 20 minutes. Number 1. LivTee Blind Spot Mirror, 2-pack. Introducing the LivTee Blind Spot Mirror. This mirror helps you see more of what's around you, eliminating those dangerous blind spots. It's designed to make your driving safer. This pack includes 2 mirrors, each with 360-degree rotation and sway adjustability. You can easily adjust them to get the perfect view. This feature maximizes your view while driving. The convex design of the mirror expands your field of vision. This is perfect for changing lanes and passing other vehicles. It's a simple way to increase your safety on the road. The mirror features HD glass for a clear, crisp view. It's frameless, waterproof, and rust-resistant. The slim design ensures it blends seamlessly with your car's existing mirrors. Installation is quick and easy. Simply clean your existing side mirror and stick the blind spot mirror onto the mounting bracket. It's designed for cars, SUVs, and trucks. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions or issues, please contact us. We are always here to help you. What we like. This mirror offers a full 360-degree adjustment, allowing you to customize your view. It's also made with HD glass for a clear, wide-angle view, and is easy to install. If you frequently drive in heavy traffic or need extra visibility when changing lanes, this is a great choice for you. What people say. These function far better and clearer than the existing mirrors. The view is so clear, and in fact extraordinarily so, and it was nighttime when I applied and used them. Great product and stick very good and cover all the blind spots and easy to install. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.